Hi everyone, welcome back to my AWS series. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how we can use AWS Glue Crawler along with Amazon Athena to analyze data stored in Amazon S3 without setting up any database. So basically what I am going to do in this video, I will uploading a CSV file into S3, creating a Glue Crawler so that it automatically detect schema, verifying the table in data catalog, and finally we will uh, querying on this S3 data through the Athena. So let's get started. So I first let me discuss in brief about AWS Glue. So basically AWS Glue is fully managed data integration services for ETL, extract, transform, load workloads. It generally helps you extract data from multiple sources like S3, transform data by cleaning, filtering, and enhancing it, right? And load data into a target store such as S3, Redshift, and more. Okay. He uses data warehousing, data lake preparation, the analytics pipeline. So you can see the main component are glue jobs, data catalog, trigger, workflows, crawlers. You can discuss more about this concept in my GitHub page. I will share this link in the video descriptions. So without wasting much time, let's quickly go to the AWS console. So as I said, step one, I am going to the S3. Okay, I have already created a one bucket. If you do not know how we can create a bucket, you can go through my previous videos. Okay, so I have created already one bucket, Rahul demo, and here I am going to upload one object which is a CSV in our case. Okay, so basically this CSV includes five user details, users, open. Okay, so I have attached this CSV. This CSV includes five user details and upload it. Yeah, so step one is done. I have created, or you can say that I have uploaded one object user CSV to the S3. Now I am going to the AWS Glue. AWS Glue, AWS Glue. Yeah, so we have a various services under the AWS Glue. So I am going to use the data catalog service first, where I am using the crawler, right? So I am going to create one crawler here. Okay, user crawler, right? Crawlers means scan kind of thing, right? User crawler and scan data for user. Next, select one or more data source to be crawler. I am going to add a data source. So what is a data source? We have uploaded S3, that is our data source. So you can copy this destination from here. All right, and you can provide the path. All right, that's fine. Add this data source to the crawler where it will crawl the data. Next, okay, and here you need to choose one IAM role. Okay, so before uh, choosing the role, I want to explain you. We will require one role where that role should have permission of S3 as well as AWS Glue roles. So let me go to the another tab and create one role here. IAM. Here you can go on IAM. You can also create from here, but for simplicity, I am going to create one role from here. So role for AWS Glue. AWS, or you can say role for S3. S3 means, okay, so here you can see that I am selecting one service that is Salesforce Glue. Okay, next I am providing two permission for S3 full access, S3 full access, and Glue. Glue. I am going to give a one glue service role. Service role. Yeah, I am going to assign this role. Sorry, this permission. So I have attached two permission with this role, S3 full access and glue service role. Role user role for lead. Okay, create role. So yeah, role has been created. Let's go to the crawler screen again, refresh, and you can see here is a role, user role for glue. Okay, fine, and that's all. Next, choose a database, or you can create a database where crawler will detect the schema and create a table inside that database. So here you can create one database. I have click on add database, and it will redirect to me on a database page. So I am giving demo underscore user, yeah, database name. That's it. Create database. Database has been created. Demo users. So let me go here again, refresh, and choose the created database, demo users. All right, and I am schedule this crawler on demand. It means when I run this crawler, this should be run, or you can also schedule based on particular time or cron expressions. So next, you can see all the details of crawler, and I'm going to create the crawler. Yeah, my crawler has been created successfully. So this was the step 2, right? First, we uploaded CSV to S3. Second, we have created a crawler. Before creating a crawler, we need to create one IAM role where we need to provide this as three permissions and AWS Glue role execution permissions. Okay, now my crawler has been created. We can go on the crawler here, right? You can click on your crawler, and here you can run the crawler. Okay, yeah, it can take sometimes, because it what it will done, it will scan our S3 data, right, and create the schema for the data and put inside the database which we have created. So it can take some time, 1 minute, 2 minute. If we have a, it will depend on the object which we have uploaded in S3. If this is the big, then it will take more time. It is less, then it will take less time. So let's wait until crawler is running. Okay, now you can see that my crawler has been successfully completed. So yeah, so now we can go into the database first. Okay, this is the demo user. Now I'm going to the tables. Let's see my crawler created the tables or not. So what was the name of my database? That was the demo user. Okay, and here you can see that through the crawler automatically detect the schema and created the schema for us, right? This is our table name, Rahul underscore demo bucket table 2017. So you can see that crawler create one table under the data catalog. Okay, so now I am going to the AWS Athena to make sure that it, when we run the query, we are able to fetch the data from the user CSV or not. So I am going to the Athena. Mhm. And here Always remember, you choose the AWS Data Catalog and you choose the your database where you have put the tables. So this is the database demo underscore user, and here you can see that one table is created. Now I have apply here select star from Rahul demo, means table name. So ideally you should not perform the star because it is expensive operations in AWS, because we have a very limited data or very short data. So I have only 5 users. That's why I'm going to perform this. So run query. Yeah. So here you can see that we are able to see all the data which we have uploaded in S3, right? Where analytics can analyst can analytics about this data. So in a conclusion, what we have done is step one, we have uploaded one CSV file to S3. Second, we have created a role where we have permissions to role S3 as well as Glue. Third, we have created a crawler to scan the S3 data and create the schema for us, right? And fourth, we have opened the table into the Athena to validate are we able to fetch the data from the table or not. So this was the all about the crawler. So just one point I also want to add, in the last video part 15, right, we have created manually tables and scan the data through the Athena. So this is the automation of that part, right, where you do not need to create the manual tables. Crawler will do this operation for us. So it is very beneficial when we are going to the automations instead of creating the manual uh, schema for our uploaded object. That was the CSV. So that's all for this video. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and click on the notification icons if you like such kind of videos. Thank you very much.